Opening a business bank account can help small businesses manage their finances more effectively, establish a professional image, and access a range of financial services. A business bank account can help a business in several ways, including the separation of business and personal finances. A business bank account can help separate business and personal finances, which is important for accurate accounting, tax filing, and financial management. This separation helps keep track of business transactions and expenses, making it easier to file taxes and prepare financial statements. Having a business bank account can help create a more professional image for the business, which can be important for building credibility with customers, vendors, and suppliers. It also helps to establish a formal business identity rather than relying on personal accounts. A business bank account can help manage cash flow by providing access to services such as credit cards, loans, and lines of credit. These services can help finance operations, cover short-term expenses, and support business growth. Business bank accounts are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses. They often offer online banking, mobile banking, and other tools that can simplify banking processes, making transactions more efficient and save time. Here are some of the things you should ask banks about before you commit to signing up for their account. Business bank accounts may have monthly fees, transaction fees, and other charges. It's important to review and compare the fees charged by different banks to find the best fit for your business. Some banks may require a minimum balance to open and maintain a business bank account. It's important to consider this requirement and ensure that your business can maintain the necessary balance. Different banks may offer different services and features, such as online banking, mobile banking, and credit cards. It's important to consider which services will be most useful for the business. The documentation required to open a business bank account can vary depending on the type of business and the bank's specific requirements. However, here are some general items you may need to open a business bank account. You will need to provide proof of your business's legal name, such as business license, articles of incorporation, or a partnership agreement. You need to provide the business's physical address, and if you operate from a home-based business, you may need to provide a utility bill as proof of your address. You will need to provide your business's EIN, which is that unique identification number issued by the IRS for tax purposes. You will need to provide personal identification for each authorized signer on the account, such as the driver's license, passport, or other government-issued ID. Depending on the type of business and state laws, you may need to provide a business license or permit. You may need to provide documentation showing the ownership and legal structure of the business, such as partnership agreement or articles of incorporation. And you will need to make an initial deposit to open the account, and that amount may vary depending on the bank and account type. It's always a good idea to check your bank for specific requirements and documentation needed to open a business bank account. Before opening an account, we advise you to shop around and explore your options. Doing your research in advance will make it easier for you to obtain credit and access other banking benefits later.